In 3, 2, 1. You're tired now, lie down, and I'll be waiting to give you the good news. It might take patience, and when you wake up, it won't be over, so don't you give up. We've got the time to take the world and make it better than it ever was. That's what they'll say about us. If I say cliche, it's 'cause I mean it. We can walk away, we gotta get in between it. And when you wake up, we'll grow together, so don't you give up. We've got the time to take the world and make it better than it ever was. And that's what they'll say about us. I never said it would be easy, I'm never giving up, believe me. I used to think the pain would fade, but it never does. You're tired now, lie down, and I'll be waiting to give you the good news. It might take patience, and if you don't wake up, I know you tried to. I wish you could see him. He looks just like you. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for What They'll Say About Us by Finneas on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? Well, it's a concert-sized Enya ukulele. I'll leave a link in the description below. Again, this is a super high quality and super affordable uke that won't break the bank. So definitely recommend Enya ukes. Again, link for that will be down below. Also talking about links to the merch. Currently wearing the Potato Squad hoodie. We also have the Uke Fam stuff as well. So that will be linked down below. And also links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And yeah, let me also know your song recommendations and suggestions in the comments of this video. I always love listening to your recommendations. So again, put them down below. I need to know what you guys are listening to right now. But anyways, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.